Imagine a playground where every hop, skip, and jump is guided by vibrant designs that spark creativity and fun. At Topline Pavement Services, we don't just paint lines, we create experiences. From classic hopscotch grids and colorful foursquare courts to custom games designed to fit your space, our playground activity painting transforms ordinary play areas into extraordinary zones of adventure. With our expertise, your playground becomes a canvas for learning, laughter, and lifelong memories. Why choose Topline? Because we combine creativity and quality. Our durable, eco-friendly paints stand up to weather and wear, ensuring your playground remains bright and inviting for years to come. Whether it's a school, park, or community center, we customize every design to fit your needs, adding unique games and educational elements that engage kids of all ages. Plus, safety is always a priority. Our non-slip paint ensures every step is secure so kids can focus on having fun. Let's bring your playground to life. At Topline Pavement Services, we turn your vision into a reality filled with vibrant color and endless fun. Call us today or visit our website to learn how we can help transform your playground into the ultimate playtime destination. Topline Pavement Services, where creativity meets the pavement.